click on this pencil icon. First I'm making the font size to 16 pixel, and then I'm making the font weight a bit bolder, maybe 700. Yep, it looks perfect. And then I wanna change its background color. So from here, we can change the background color from this color picker, but here the background color is set to a static classic color. Instead, I wanna use a gradient color. So from here, background type, I'm selecting this gradient option, and here the first color, instead of this green, I'm putting here a color code that's #004BBE. It's kinda dark blue color, and actually throughout our whole website I wanna reuse this color multiple times. That's why I wanna set this color as a global color so I can reuse the color later very easily. So to do it, from here let's click on this plus icon, and I'm saving this color as dark blue. Then click on create so you can reuse it. And then with this second color, instead of this reddish color, here I wanna put another color code that's #00A3F8. It's kinda light blue color, so I also wanna save it as one of our global colors. So to do it, click on this plus icon, and I wanna name it blue light. Click on create. Alright, now to play with this gradient color, we can change the angle from here like this, but I wanna make the angle to 90. So from here, instead of 80, let's set it to 90. So the first color is started getting from left, and the second color is getting from the right side, as we have set the angle to 90. Basically it's 90 degree. Alright, let's now scroll down. Here's the border radius. So here, if I make the border radius to 20 pixel, you see the corners are becoming rounded, but I wanna make it more rounded. So instead of 20 pixel, I'm making it 40 pixel. And then from here we can adjust the padding. Padding is basically the inner space, so I wanna add more spaces at the top, bottom, left and right. So to do it, first of all, let's add 20 pixel all around this button, and then I'm unlinking it because I wanna change some value. Like here on the right and left, I'm making the padding to 40 pixel. So far it looks great, but I think the space between this paragraph and button is huge, so I wanna make this button more closer to this paragraph. And to do it, we can take the help of margin. So make sure you have selected this button. Now scroll up from left and go to advanced tab, then unlink the margin from here. If we add some positive margin value at the top, like I'm adding 20 pixel, it's basically adding more space, so the gap in between them is increasing, but I want to place them closer to each other. That's why instead of the positive margin value, I need to add here negative margin. To do it, first I'm making it 0, and then if you click on this down chevron icon, you see the value is becoming negative, and I'm making it negative 20 pixel. So far our banner looks great, and to save our work, don't forget to click on this green update button. So I'm clicking here. Now I wanna create our next section, so let's scroll down. Basically it would be our work ethics section. So here, first of all, let's click on this plus icon, and here from this container structure, I'm selecting this to container structure. Then similar like the banner container, for this container let's go to its items, and I'm making the justify content to centered. So here, this is the parent container, and within that, this one is the child container. Also this one is another child container. Now I'm starting with this left child container, select it, and here instead of 50% I'm making it 20%. Then the right child container, okay, for now I just wanna delete it because I will be creating this one first, then we can easily duplicate it. So for the moment I'm just deleting this right child container. So right click here and click on delete. So here we have only one child container within this main parent container. Okay, so let's select this child container here, make sure its content width is full width and the width is 20%, not 20 pixel. So it would be 20%. And then from here minimum height I'm setting it to 200 pixel. And also from here items I'm making the justify content to centered. Then let's go under the style tab. You may see its background color is white. Actually it's not, its background color is right now transparent. So to make it really white, just go to background type from here and I'm selecting the color picker and making its background color to white. Then from here open the border because I wanna make their corner a bit rounded. That's why I'm adding 6 pixel of border radius. And then I wanna add a bit of shadow. So from here box shadow, let's click here. Actually at this point the shadow is super dark. If you wanna understand it better, we can just minimize this bar from left. So if I now minimize it, you see it's super dark. I don't want this much dark shadow. So let's open the bar from left. So here I'm opening the box shadow again. Let's select the color. Instead of 0.5, I'm dragging the bar to the left like this. Then from here I just want to increase the blur value a little, maybe 20. And then the spread value I'm making it -10. Alright, now within this child container I wanna insert an icon box widget. So let's click on this plus icon and here I'm searching for icon box widget. Let's type icon box. Here we go. Let's drag this icon box widget here. And actually I don't wanna use this paragraph, I just wanna use the icon and this title. So I'm removing this description text from here. Then within the title I want it to say, for example, creative ideas. Then let's change this icon to any other icon. You can select any of them. I'm searching for 500, this one, 500 pixel. Let's click on insert. Then to do some styling with this icon box, just go under the style tab. You see there are 2 tabs. So if I minimize icon, you can understand it properly. This one is for icon and this one is responsible for contents design. So first open the icon and from here I wanna change this icon color to the global dark blue color we have just set. So you can select any color from this color picker like black, red or any other color, but also as you have set some global color, you can just click on this globe icon from here. And you remember we have set a global color that says dark blue, so I'm selecting that. And now let's open the content. Here you can increase or decrease the spacing in between them, but I'm making the spacing to 0. Then the text color to black color, and from typography I wanna make the font family to sans, this one. So far it looks okay, but I think we can add some spacing with this child container. So let's select it, go under its advanced tab. Let's add some inner space, and to add inner spaces we use padding. So here I'm adding 20 pixel of padding. Then let's unlink the margin. Only with the right and left I'm adding 10 pixel of margin. And we have designed this child container, and now we can easily duplicate it to make multiple child container like this. So to do it, just right click here, then click on duplicate. But instead of right clicking each time to duplicate anything, there is a shortcut. So to access to that shortcut, just from left click on this hamburger icon, then click on user preferences, and here you see it says editing handles. Just turn it on. Now have a look. If you just hover over here, there is a duplicate container icon. Just click there. I want to duplicate it one more time, so click here. Now I can change all these icons and all this text really fast, like with this one. Just click over there and I'm changing this icon. Here I'm searching for the battle one, this one, and click on insert. And here instead of creative ideas I wanted to say high quality. And also I'm changing these icons and text really fast. Alright, now I wanna give them a bit creative look. So to do it, I just wanna move them a little bit upper, I mean in this place. To make it happen, let's just click on this, let's just select the parent container, this one, click on the 6 dots, go under its advanced tab, let's unlink the margin, and if we want to push it to the upper side here, we need to add some negative margin at the top. So here I'm adding negative 80 pixel like this. Also I wanna add some bottom margin that will make some space with the next element or with the next container. So here I'm adding 20 pixel of bottom margin. Next I wanna create our beautiful about us section. So again, to take a new container, click on this plus icon, and this time again I'm selecting this 2 container structure, and I wanna add some spacing around this container. So go under advanced tab, and I'm adding 60 pixel of padding all around this container. Then I wanna add a background image with this parent container. So go under its style tab. From here, from the background type, let's select the image, go to upload files, let's select files. I'm selecting this home about background, this one, click on open, let's click on insert media, and I'm setting the position to center, and here I'm making the size to cover. Then within this left child container, click on this plus icon. Here I wanna add an image, so let's drag this image widget here, and I'm making the image's alignment to left aligned. Let's now select the image, go to upload files, click on select files. I'm selecting this image, it says home team, so click on open, then insert it. Now let's go under the style tab. From here, first of all, I wanna make the image's width to 90%. Then I'm setting its height to 600 pixel. You see right now the image is looking kinda stretched. So to solve it, from here object fit, I'm making it to cover. Now I wanna make this simple looking image more cooler or more artistic. So to do it, just go under advanced tab. From here, let's open the mask, and I'm just turning on the mask. From here, if you want, you can select any shape. Like by default it's circle shape, so the image is now within the circle shape. If you want, you can change it to flower shape, but it's nothing professional, I think, because this is an agency website. So if you mask it within a flower shape, that won't look good, So from here also, if you want, you can select a blob shape, or you can select hexagon shape, but here I wanna use a custom shape that I have made for you. So from here, let's select the custom, and here I wanna upload an image. So click on this image, go to upload files, click on select files, and here I'm selecting this. It's called home about mask, so I'm selecting it, click on open. Now click on insert media. You see our image is now masked within this beautiful shape. Alright, let's now select the right child container. Let's select it. First of all, let's go to its items, and I'm making the justify content to centered. Also, let's go under its advanced tab because I wanna make some space on the left side. So from here, I'm making the padding, not padding, it's padding. So I'm just unlinking it, and here only at the left side I'm adding 40 pixel of padding. Now here within this right container, click on this plus icon. First of all, let's drag an heading widget here, and I'm changing this text with this. It says we are Jeff Digital Solution Agency. You can put your digital agency's name or any other text if you want. Now let's do some styling with it. So just go under style tab. I'm making its color to black color. Now open the typography. I